Finally, there were validation committees. Originally, there were 30 people on the validation committee, and they were people nominated from across the country who were supposed to look at the standards and look at the research and make sure it was benchmarked and ask for why did you do what you did. If you pull the documents, you will only find 25 signatures, but there were 30 people. 5 refused to sign. 3 of the 5 have been totally silent, and nobody says their names because they would like their privacy respected, and we do that. 2 of the 5 have been very public in their opposition. One is a gentleman named Dr. James Milgram. He taught math at Stanford University for more than 40 years, and one was an English language arts expert named Dr. Sandra Stotsky, who actually was part of the Massachusetts State Board of Education and worked at the University of Arkansas. And they have been very public in their opposition, saying they asked for research and never got any. Internationally benchmarked with whom? Got no answers. Now, normally if there's a committee and you are asked to vote on something, you get a majority report and a minority report. You know, the people who didn't agree and have dissent or have a different opinion. But there was no minority report. The response of the Common Core folks was just to delete anybody who didn't agree, which makes it look like it was unanimous, except that it wasn't. So they just removed the names of the people who didn't sign, and none of their comments were included in the final document. Now, if you go to the Common Core website,